Good morning, lovies. We're in our spot, our favorite little spot. This is like our little meeting spot. It's super early in the morning. I'm having my first cup of coffee. That first sip, man, there's nothing better. Gets you out of bed, you know what I mean? At first, when you think about that first sip of coffee, it gets me out of bed. So I started the vlog off with a couple little clips. Late last night, it started to snow. So this morning, everything is a puff cloud of white. It's beautiful out there. It's the kind of snow that like stuck to everything. It's just a couple inches. It's nothing major or anything like that, but it's just enough to make things look pretty. It stuck to the trees, you know? It's like the trees are a little heavy with it. It's that pretty kind of snow. So my heart's just like, oh, okay, we got to get out there and take a trek in it, you know? We got to get out there, get the backpack on, get the trekking poles, and do a little hike in it. So I think that's my big plan for the day. Other than dishes, are you shocked? And sweeping. I need to sweep the house again. I don't know what's up with him. He's shedding so bad. I guess it's just like, it's a mind like oxymoron kind of thing, because you wouldn't think your dog is shedding in the coldest parts of the year. You know what I mean? But he is shedding so bad. It's crazy how bad he's shedding. And I thought I would take you with me while I take my little trek in the snow and maybe share a little bit of what I eat today. I'm gonna let you guys know the problem that I run in with sharing with my dinners is that I want to get my videos out by 5 o'clock. That's the time that I set so that you guys, I try to stay on schedule so that you guys know that's when the videos go up. Sometimes we don't have dinner done by then. So what I'm thinking I'm going to start doing is when I share my meals and things with you, because you guys really seem to enjoy the meal sharing, seeing what I'm eating in a day on a weight loss journey and things like that. And I don't mind sharing it with you at all. For me, it almost feels like easy content because you have to eat every day, right? Yeah. So what I might start doing is like, I'll tell you what we're having for dinner tonight. You may not see it in this video, but since I'm uploading every day except for Tuesdays and Saturdays, you'll see it the next day. Do you know what I mean? Like we might start the video off the next day in the evening, where the very first thing you're seeing, instead of like breakfast and good morning, you're seeing our dinner and on from there kind of thing. So I just thought I'd throw that in here this morning. So I'm going to be sharing, like I said, like what I'm going to be eating today, but we're having taco. I'm having taco bowl for dinner. They're having taco nachos. You may not see that in this video because like I said, I got to get the video edited and up for you by 5. So you may not see that in this video, but you'll see it the next, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So you might only see breakfast and lunch in this one and my trek, but I am starting my morning out with my cup of coffee, which is literally decaf coffee. I put a couple teaspoons of my 0-calorie peppermint mocha skinny syrup in it, and I use a little bit of half and half. I did the oat milk. I usually always put oat milk in my coffee, but I noticed that it starts to separate and get a little weird. It gets a little weird in my coffee, so I've been using half and half in my coffee. But it's better than those creamers that I have been obsessed with. I'm so glad I broke that. They were really the only reasons that I drank coffee, was the creamers that I put in my coffee every morning. But I have completely broke that. I try to make my coffees, you know, with no sugar. I don't know how to say that. There's 0 calories, I don't know how to explain it, but it has sugarlose in it. You know what I mean? So is it really sugar-free? I don't know how to explain that. But like in the diet culture world, that's considered 0 calories, 0 sugar. But it's sweetened with sugarlose. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain that. That's what I do use. And like I said, for the longest time I was using oat milk, but it like separates it. Like, I don't know, like after my coffee sits there for like 10 minutes, it does like, it's like all separated on top of my coffee. It kind of grosses me out. So I switched to half and half. But anyways, I'm going on and on and on about nothing. Let's get the day started. I probably will not share me doing dishes and sweeping with you because I've been sharing that a lot with you guys in the videos and I don't want them to get boring, but believe me when I tell you, this is what I do every single day. You just do this on repeat. But if you're a woman and you're a wife or a mother, or if you just live on your own and you have your own home, I'm sure you know this because I'm sure you do dishes and sweep and like clean the bathroom and clean the toothpaste that your husband and your daughter leave behind and, you know, like all the things, you know. I hope you can get a small sense of the beauty that I was trying to capture to share with you that this morning offered. With the freezing cold temps, everything covered in white, perfect stillness, but yet the sun was so bright and warm on your face, but yet you were in a winter wonderland. It's just, I don't know how to explain it any other way than just like perfection. A beautiful winter morning. Ooh, look, these are deer. Look, do you see how they're hooves? That's deer. They look fresh too. Maybe we'll see deer. Snow dog. There is absolutely nothing like the stillness in the forest on a trail after it snows and the snow covers every inch of everything. It is like being transported to another world. It is just breathtakingly beautiful, and I don't think my camera and my filming skills, if you'll put it that way, can capture even a fraction of the beauty of this morning on the trail. It was just breathtaking. It was cold, but it was breathtaking. Right there, Vanna. Right there's the trail. Okay, so I have to tell you guys that we came home from that beautiful hike and took a big beautiful nap. I've been in this bed pretty much since I've come home from my hike because I haven't been sleeping very well. And I don't know if it was the fresh air or in the sunshine. I don't know. I came home. I crawled into this bed with Dozer Boy here. And him and I got a nappers. And it was great. So I really don't have much to report to you guys about eating. Except for that when my husband came home, he said he had a hankering and a big craving for Chipotle. So we're scrapping the tacos. And we're having Chipotle. That's what I'm having to eat today. So... I'm not really hungry today at all, really and truly. I'm not really hungry that much at all. Tired of anything. Dozer Boy's pretty tired after his adventure too. Ain't even moving. So my husband gets a bowl. This is his bowl. And then I just get a little teeny tiny bit of his bowl and a few chips and a little bit of queso. That's it. And everything else is for him.
Want me to mix it up?
No, I will do it, thank you.
Okay. Keeping a piece of cheese for later?
A little bit of meat, a little bit of beans, and a little bit of lettuce. Okay. And then the rest is his. He does his thing. I just get a couple ounces. Ah, get that!
Okay, well, I was gonna say, you want it?
He gets this salsa. There's his chips, and then I get a little bit of queso. My daughter and I share this queso because I can't eat a whole queso, but I get queso and I eat a few chips.
Decent. That one, Ethan's mine. This is the smaller one. You guys got the large one.
So just take a few chips. Few little chips. And a little bit of the queso. And then she gets the rest of that. And a bag of chips, and that's it. That's my Chipotle order.
To mine.
Hubby shares.